Today, we review the best 5 bread machine that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Panasonic SDYD 250 Automatic Bread Maker. This white-colored machine gives you 3 options to choose among the loaf sizes. In terms of capacity, we think this has an ideal capacity for families. To be precise, you can make bread comprising of 2.5 pounds maximum. The benefit of buying a bread maker for home is that you can choose to make any type of bread you want. Of course, given that you buy a good quality bread maker. With Panasonic, you have the liberty to prepare 5 types of bread: white, whole wheat, multigrain, French and quick breads.
Number 2.
Oster Breadmake. Oster brand is a great choice for you if you are looking for versatile options for bread making. We chose this one in our list of best bread machines for its superior specifications that creates professional grade breads. You can create loaf of maximum capacity of 2 pounds. While there are other bread makers that have higher capacity, we felt that this capacity is optimum for family usage. Since we said that the product is highly versatile, let's start by explaining why so. It comes with 12 bread setting options. The settings are mostly automated and you can prepare your desired meals in 3 simple and easy steps. You add the key ingredients and wait till the machine suggests you for adding mix on S.
Number 3.
Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Bread Maker. From the name you can clearly understand that the brand Zojirushi is empathetic about all types of diet. Hence, its features are targeted towards all types of diet. With this bread maker, you can make the quintessential rectangular bread with ingredients of your choice. This is an apt choice for those who are looking for a gluten-free or organic diet. The breads that are sold in the shops run the risk of being contaminated with gluten. However, when you prepare them at home, you can easily create your own set of ingredients.
Number 4.
Hamilton Beach Home Baker. Creating gourmet homemade freshly baked breads has become simple with this bread maker machine from Hamilton Beach. Here's why making bread has become easy for you. You will find 12 options of bread types in this machine. The settings are French, sweet, 1.5 pounds express, 2lb express, quick bread, dough, cake, jam, whole grain and bake. You have the provision to add gluten-free settings as well if you need. The ease of operations is not over. For new cooks, this machine is highly appropriate. That's because you will be given audible reminders about when it is the right time to add fruits and nuts to the bread.
Number 5.
Tfal Acti Bread Maker. Tfal Acti Bread Maker contains most of the functional attributes that we have discussed so far about other brands. What drove our attention this model is their visual appeal. The stainless steel exterior along with black accents is something that we really loved having in our kitchen counter. It goes well with every kitchen interior design honestly. Coming to the attributes, you will really like the pre-programmed settings of bread types and modules. It has 15 of them in total, namely gluten-free salty, gluten-free sweet, gluten-free cake, rapid whole wheat, salt-free, super rapid, rapid sweet bread, dough, cake, jam, French, sweet, cooking and pasta.